All right, guys, another follow-up. Justin, how you doing?
Good.
Have a look at this, guys. Look at him. So 6.5 months after multi-unit hair grafting. There's the before picture. I'm pretty serious there. And the top shot. Let's go up and have a look. So at this point, multi-unit hair grafting, we've really got another 3 or 4 months to go relative to the final result, but just look how good this looks. You can see that whole area filling in looks nice and natural. We got coverage from the front all the way back to the back edge of the crown. You can see how short he's wearing his hair. This is about a 3-guard, Justin, right?
Yes.
Guys, and it's looking great. I mean, you can literally, you can kind of see a little bit of light redness there, but that will continue to fade as the surrounding hair grows back around and through that suture line. So, looking awesome. Justin was just saying he was at a funeral and someone commented on how awesome the hair looked, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's awesome, man. Congratulations.
Thank you.
It's been exciting to help you. Thank you.